How to increase LinkedIn followers? Enable follow button for everyone. Struggling to grow your LinkedIn followers? No one is following you. Well, there is a simple setting that can instantly boost your followers. If you want to professional growth on LinkedIn, enable to follow button as today I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the LinkedIn app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now select the settings option from the menu. Inside settings, look for the visibility option and tap on it. Now scroll down and find the follower section. You will see two options, your connection and everyone on LinkedIn. Select everyone to LinkedIn so that everyone can follow you. And most important, toggle on the make follow primary option. This will ensure that people can follow you directly instead of sending a connection request. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.